Yeah, man. Twist that beer, man. Let me get one of them Dutches, man. Let me roll something, man. I'm about to get stupid on this shit, man. Yeah, pass me that shit, man. Yeah, about to roll up some of this fire, nigga.
Coach, I'm in position to score with the hardcore 100 straight from the door. Got my axe and my hammer for galactic war. From the east of the Atlantic to the Asian shore, showing you how rap really gets rotten to the core, only if bitten. My shit you can't get from no store. Far from folklore, like a tap to your jaw, unfamiliar, niggas never seen before. I pull my slowly down before I start to let off. Unspeakable ammo compared to this shit soft. Rap in the gutter, smoke a blunt with your mother. These lyrics be sharp, don't let them touch you. Infection with the sickness, you do, motherfucker. You ain't dealing with no up and comer. Run up on your set with a suicide gunner, cause I'm from the school of hard knocks, bust ya. Cold like Russia, mental skills crusher. 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 Within the flash, niggas is ass, a glass nice blunt. We can build a piece, or it's drama you want. No time for the games, I'm in a place to chill. Write a bunch of rhymes and get paid for real. It's a lot of jealous people walk around on the earth who hates for hate's sake, regardless your net worth. You gotta watch your back, cause the traps are near. Show no fear, make your voice heard loud and clear. Let everybody know that you don't take no shit, cause like me, any drama, I'm ready to flip. That's how it's going down. Cold like Russia, mental skills crusher. 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 Cold like Russia, mental skills crusher.